Git is an essential tool for every programmer, which allows to track changes in the codebase. Initialize Git in a project by typing in the terminal git init. Now all the files are tracked in a working directory so that you can be a pro coder and develop cool stuff. Then in the gitignore file, add files that you do not want to track. In every web app, it should be node modules because it is the heaviest thing in space. By typing the command git status, you can see tracked files, and if they are in the staging area, each file can be added to the staging area by the command git add, or you can add all files by git add dot. Then it is needed to commit files to the local repository, but it is the hardest thing for every programmer. You have to figure out the proper message. Fortunately, there is a naming convention, which is not helping much. Choose one of the message schemes, in this case new feature, and describe the rest. Alright, files are committed to the local repository, but what now? We have done it on the main branch, which is not a good way to serious development. Let's create a new branch that will keep new changes, so that we will not destroy by accident the code. By typing git log, we can see made comments and their hashes, this long string of random characters. A soft reset will undo the commit and keep changes. A new branch is created by git checkout -b and name of the new branch. Congratulations, you know branching. Git add and git commit again. We can push local repo changes to the remote repo, but we do not have a remote repo. Visit your GitHub profile and create a new repo. Name a repo and create it. Follow the instructions from the page. Let's add remote origin from GitHub. Then push the changes. Mission completed. Repo is updated with your code. Now you can save the working directory by adding them to the staging and committing to local repo, then pushing them to remote repo. But it was only the basics. With a team, there are more Git rules and commands. If you want to be updated with modern developer content, you should definitely subscribe to the newsletter. Link down in the description. Thank you and see you.